Most people think their income problem is a skill problem, but it's not. It's emotional. See, like a lot of people, I used to think if I just got better at my craft, better at creating things, then the money would flow because my skills got better. Now, don't get me wrong, skills matter, but what I didn't realize at the time was how many opportunities I was losing, not because I wasn't good enough, but because I wasn't steady enough. I was inconsistent. I used to get excited, then disappear. Motivated one week, then off the next. Taking things personally when they didn't go the way I was thinking. And I didn't see it at the time, but that was the issue. When I was younger, I had moments where things would start to work out perfectly. Opportunities would come, people would start to take interest, and momentum would start to build just a little. And then out of nowhere, I would break it. Not intentionally, but emotionally. I would overthink something, react the wrong way, get discouraged and pull back, or even just lose focus because it didn't feel right anymore. And I kept telling myself that it was external. I just need a better opportunity. I just need a little bit more exposure. But the truth was, I wasn't being someone people could rely on consistently yet. It was hard to admit it, but admitting it to myself is what caused things to change. See, we're moving into something different right now, something I call the human economy. And in this economy, you don't get paid just for being skilled. You get paid because people trust you, because they like working with you, because they know what they're going to get from you. And that's where emotional discipline comes in. Not being perfect, just being grounded. Most people lose money in ways they don't even realize. They react instead of respond and burn through opportunities. They let their mood decide if they show up, so their income stays inconsistent. They take normal business situations personally and damage relationships that could pay them long term. And none of that has anything to do with skill. It's all emotional. What I started to realize over time was simple. Calm people get more opportunities. Consistent people get paid again. Grounded people build relationships that turn into real income. And I didn't fix this issue in myself overnight. It was repetition. Showing up when I didn't feel like it, not reacting immediately, letting things play out instead of forcing outcomes. Just small adjustments over and over, and things slowly changed. Not just in what I was making, but in how stable I became. If you've ever felt like, I know I'm capable, but it's just not clicking consistently, there's a good chance it's not your ability. It's how you're showing up emotionally when it actually matters. And this is why I talk about the human economy so much, because now more than ever, people are choosing to work directly with people. Not just companies, not just systems, but people. And when that is the case, how you show up matters just as much as what you can do. That's a big part of what we're building with Purposers. A space where people can actually connect and provide real value directly to each other and create income that's rooted in real interaction. But none of that works long term if you can't stay grounded. So if there's just one thing to focus on, it's not just improving your skills. It's becoming someone people can count on. Because in the human economy, that is the skill that pays the most.